Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. It's a Sunday morning in Jamaica. It's a Sunday morning in Kenya family. And I'm heading over to JamRock because we have Sunday breakfast, brunch, Sunday breakfast brunch. In Jamaica, there's a party we normally put on called Daybreak. It's like a morning party where you go and you get, Jamaican breakfast. When you go to that party, you get Jamaican breakfast family. So it's my first time here. I'm gonna eat Jamaican breakfast in Kenya. I have my Jamaican brothers coming. My Jamaican sister, I'm gonna pick her up right now, and we're gonna go to this Jamaican breakfast brunch. So guys, I'm just gonna take you along, show you what the foods look like. If you're in Kenya, you need to get Jamaican food. JamRock and Reggae Flavors is the place, family. Reggae Flavors, JamRock is the place for Jamaican food in Kenya and also in Tanzania. So let's go, guys. And we have a lot of people from diaspora and Jamaica will be there. So it's a nice meet and greet over some food, and I'm sure it's gonna be a blast. When we meet up, we have so much to talk about and so much to say. So let's go. I'm gonna pick my Jamaican sister and let's go to this Jamaican breakfast brunch. It's Sunday morning. It's like 9:15 and it's the morning time. We'll be eating Jamaican food. So when I get there, family, I'm gonna show you what we'll eat in Jamaica on a Sunday morning for breakfast. But as you know me, now I don't really eat breakfast. I'll just drink some lime water with some mineral salt, and I'll just drink a smoothie, and then in the afternoon 2-3 I'll eat a plate of food, and that's me. You know what I mean? So but I'm just gonna go back and relive those moments back in Jamaica, and I just want to show it to you. So when you come to Kenya and you decide to have that same experience, you can have it, family. Because I know people live in the diaspora, leave Jamaica when they're small and go to the US, and they come back, they want to come back to Africa. Almost everybody who I met, it's just me and another Jamaican brother who come directly from Jamaica. But everybody else live in Canada, US, UK for 10, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, and they come back to Africa, and they actually, their Jamaican experience, they won't really get it like that, So it's Jamaicans here running the restaurant, and we're doing the thing, and we want to bring back that vibes, bring back that old school vibes back when we in Jamaica growing up, and living it up. So let's go. Hey family, so let's sample this coconut water in the morning time. Let's sample. Yes, it's good, fresh and nice. Let's go. Yeah, where the chocolate tea?
Come for a long time, breakfast done pound.
Can't done, my youth. They say not do rundown, right?
Starfish rundown is here.
Yeah, man, come and eat that in a long time, long time. Like we leave out the same time, like. Yeah, B.
Thank you.
Yeah, me just reach. Yeah.
No. You're a nice black people. Let's say we're here, look.
Eh? Alright, cool.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Alright. Yeah, family, so this is the JamRock where you come and get the Jamaican food. Yeah. As I was saying in my video, that in Jamaica, what you'll be eating on a Sunday morning, on a regular Jamaican morning.
Yeah.
Fried dumpling with something.
Maybe with callaloo, with saltfish or something.
Saltfish.
Yeah.
Ackee.
Yeah.
Want some chocolate tea.
Some chocolate tea, yeah.
Hey, and I see him till I come out of the house, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Breakfast without chocolate tea.
Yeah, man. Yeah, family. So when you come at JamRock, the vibes is there, the people them there, and it's a where we can connect and be a community, and just feel like we're the yard again. Is what I'm saying. So, when you come, JamRock is the place. So we're there and we're gonna get some Jamaican breakfast, Jamaican style, going back in time. Yeah.
So the top chef.
Chef it up.
Yeah, man. I'm not gonna see them in start your. You have some minty with it?
What kind of tea you have?
Minty with it.
I'll take the mint tea alone.
I get the minty and a piece of ginger.
Yeah, man. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, nice. Yeah. But say no chocolate. No chocolate.
Chocolate tea, Jamaican tea.
Oh yeah.
Have a breadfruit today.
Yeah, man, breadfruit.
Nice.
What? Fried breadfruit?
Yeah, yes, we just call you. We call this someone to ask if Corona come because say when they come, we not.
Oh, sorry, lad.
Because breakfast is limited to all the labor.
Eh?
Here people are called feet.
Oh, now we start cook up some more, man, because people are forward. And that's the thing, you know. But even in Jamaican culture,
40 minutes, we see she and about she come.
I don't know she can't read.
even in Jamaican culture, people eat breakfast for dinner, not true, ever? Yeah. So I feel like you're supposed to have it put on, and when people come and they want it, the people will eat it.
Yeah. Breakfast ready, who come first, they serve.
No, you can't do it like that. The community are built right now, so now if you have food in a pot, food for in a pot.
What's that though? I'm surprised we see like stuff from yesterday.
Yeah. I mean, link you up in the morning.
It left from yesterday just as you read.
I mean, link you up in the morning and tell him, say, if him not found, I may say, come in the morning, man. You say, you don't want to come in the evening.
Just like me, man.
Yeah.
So far.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we'll wait for some tea. And then, you know what I mean? That is it. So, this is what the place look like, family. And they even have like other empty space here, as you can see. So if you're looking to get an empty space, to start a business when you're forward, they have an empty shop over here. So, and it's very cheap. Very cheap, like $150 US a month for the container. They have a nice Indian store, and normally shop in this Indian store. You have a lot of natural stuff. And normally shop inside there. Yeah, family, so like, share, and comment on the video. Yeah. This is Jam Tours Africa. And this is Bridget.
This is the amazing Empress, the Jamaican goddess.
Yes.
Right. And welcome to Kenya.
Yeah.
I'm eating breakfast today. And these are dumpling, plantain, callaloo, saltfish, you know.
Yeah. Jamaican style.
Sweetheart, the Jamaican style. How you doing? Pleasure meeting you.
Yeah.
Pleasure meeting you too. So, in Africa, oh my gosh, I'm so happy to be here. I'm so free.
Yeah.
I get fat.
Yeah, I get fat.
Yes, can you see it?
Yeah.
See it. I never so fat when I come here.
Oh, yeah.
No, all of a sudden,
Yeah.
I'm fat. I just eat up the things them food so nice here.
Yeah. So what's your favorite food here?
Well, ugali and the spinach
Mm-hmm.
and my fried fish, but they do dry. We would call it escabeche fish.
Yeah.
So I like that. And of course, Jamaican food, you know, is my number one favorite. So I can't deny that. So it's my number one. But besides from Jamaican food, I would say ugali and the native food.
What I like here is that the food here is natural. It's not like so processed.
Natural
like
juice.
Mm-hmm.
I get to get all my natural juice.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, overall, I just think I'm disappointed that I came here at this time.
Yeah.
I should have before, like years before.
Okay. So when did you plan to come? Like when did you get the idea to come? Back then? Like years? You said years before. That was when?
Because I had lived in the Philippines.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
So you've been traveling and doing a thing.
Oh yeah. I just never decided to come
to
the
Africa
continent because of so much of the negative things.
Oh yeah.
But in fact, I wasn't really going to Kenya. I was gonna go to Ghana.
Okay.
I had a dream,
Mm-hmm.
and my dream caused me to come here.
Wow.
And then all the things that I was going through, even though I said I wasn't going to come here, everything that I was going through, it seems like it was stopping me from going to Ghana.
Ah,
so I just give up and say, you know what, man, just come here.
Yeah.
When I came here, I had a surgery, and I leave out of the surgery, and the day I leave out of the surgery, I came straight here after surgery.
Wow.
Like 2-3 days later.
Wow.
Like if I'm gonna die, I'm gonna just die in Africa.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
And to get to Ghana now, because I renewed my passport, I had to travel through what you call it here, through
Europe.
Right, through Paris. They said I needed 66 months in my passport. Guess what? When I'm ready to leave to come to Africa, my visa that's already in my old passport was for Ghana.
Ah, okay.
So I had to go to immigration 14 days, get a new passport. That passport now, I was told by Ghana embassy that I need to mail it to them in Washington DC. And pay another $200. And I was like, what? That's too much.
That's too much.
And then I'm like, why is it so difficult to go to Africa? So now I start look for where we can go right now. Coming
right. You know what? It's just obsession. But you know you have to be on the continent.
Yes, I have to go now. So I said, where else I can go? I look at Rwanda, and I was looking at South Africa. Then problems start. That's when that surgery thing came in. Problems start again. I start get sick for no reason. I'm not supposed to go to these places. I want to go every month go, and then I got a dream that I was heading to, that something happened, and it said take my sons to Mount Zion.
Mount Zion.
To this mountain. And we run to this mountain. We look and we saw Mount Kenya. And I told my son about the dream. They said, Mom, maybe you should just go to Kenya. But I said, but you need a visa to go there. Then I said, okay, I'm gonna apply. But this time, too many have a new passport number. Figure anytime the stupid visa arrive, I still have enough time to go. So guess what happened? The visa came like the same day. That e-visa after I applied came the same day, and I was out of there the next day. And that's how come I end up going to get Kenya. I had no plans to come here. And then when I got here, and I was like, damn. So I had a one-way visa. I mean, a one-way ticket actually, because I didn't have a return ticket.
So what they said to you at immigration with the one-way ticket? They
they didn't say nothing to me. And guess what? They need that yellow thing.
Yellow fever,
Oh no, when me come, I mean, I have none of that. Everything just got through. Cause my yellow fever thing, I have an exemption on it, and nobody asked for it. So I don't know what was going on. Everybody was like, "What? You come to immigration to custom, and get them ask you for a return ticket." I still don't have a return ticket back home.
I guess to call. When they call, when Jack call you,
that's it.
you have to come. You have to come. So
when people ask me, "Oh, you get to Africa? Do you know where to go?" I don't know where I was going. I have nobody here. I have no contact here. I just end up here. And then so as I got here, I just meet people. And the people and the locals, they were so nice to me. And then everything just falling. And I'm like, you know what, this is going to where I need to retire. Because I was looking for a place to retire.
Okay.
So I said, you know what, I'm going to make Kenya my main home. Don't want to talk too loud, America.
I'm going to cut this out. Family. So this is Jamaican food for Jamaican. Sitting and dining and creating and reliving that Jamaican way of life. So let's dig in and dive in.
Blessings.
We thank the Most High for, to give us the whatever it takes to be here today. It's not easy to come back to Africa. It's a journey. Family, so let's dig in. In a while, let's get this sorrel. I wonder if it's real.
I mean, come down. But it's just like it's a vibe that like we can stay down.
No money.
They come down if we come take care of something.
Family, let's try this sorrel. Oh, it tastes?
Tastes nice.
Tastes nice. Tastes like Jamaican sorrel?
Yes, absolutely.
Or it tastes Ava?
Lied.
It's good. Where's the Jamaican sorrel?
Nice.
Alright, let me sample it now.
Nice, man.
Wow,
Yeah.
Jamaican sorrel, the Jamaican vibes in Kenya family. We've been missing out.
For real, you guys are missing out. Absolutely. Cheers to long life in Kenya.
Yeah.
No more America wet.
Now we have this sweet potato pudding coming. Sweet potato, a lot of potato is in Kenya.
Yes, lot of potato. Now we have sweet potato and organic potato. No GMO potato. Give up yourself, Kenya.
Yeah, so the sweet potato pudding coming now, family. So we want to taste that and hear how it tastes.
Yeah, nice thing.
Yeah, man. So,
yeah. So that man, and that was what happened. And it wasn't no money thing, like the person robbed you or nothing.
Family, so the big mighty sweet potato. First time I have this in Kenya. Sweet potato. Big mighty sweet potato pudding. Cornmeal pudding and sweet potato pudding. Yeah, family. So, how it is? Big things are gone.
Yes, nice.
Yes, nice.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Big up, David, the man from JamRock. So when you come, yeah, man, forward.
Yeah.
That'll be a thing. I was there one of
Too little bit, yeah. We need more. We need a bigger pot.
So good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next time you put that more.
Yeah, man, a lot more.
people show up and take them off. Whatever hard show up, bring all from before.
We can do this every Sunday.
Yeah, every Sunday we can do this. I can get out of my bed and come up here every Sunday for this vibes. Yeah, I'm telling you, I can do this. Yeah.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
Cabbage next week.
What about salvation and Callaloo, man? That good, that's better.
That was the first Sunday.
That was the first.
Really?
That's what you had.
Porridge too, you know.
Porridge, yeah, porridge. Banana porridge and those things. Yeah. I see you need to have the porridge. You need to have the porridge as a starter. Who bake it? Who bake it? You bake it?
Reggae flavors alone get liquor.
It's good. We're done already.
Yeah. Reggae flavors. Yeah. So.
Reggae flavors. Forgot Chef Ricardo, Reggae flavors. Tune in.
Yeah.
Collaborate with JamRock soon.
Yeah.
I have a launch, so.
Yeah. Settle. Settle. Yeah, man. We can have in the morning. We have porridge. Let's say you don't have tea, you have porridge, and then you have the, you know what I mean? Yeah. But I
tell you I'm coming.
Once.
No, we're not leaving that. She got party the night before.
Yeah.
I didn't go last night.
That is why you come. That is why I come. 2 days to recover from Friday to Sunday.
Yeah.
When Bridget says she'll come, and with a friend. She don't know. 2 times.
Yeah.
Look.
Ramesh and Abba to get the food there and come.
Yeah. And look at me, I tell the driver, I said, drive fast.
In case you know what, my original recipe, they have natural, original, artificial popsicle. Real fruits make it. Natural juice, the only juice them good.
Yeah, I need to try to test it out, man.
Why you make juices too?
No, only here, the Rosella. But over here, so original over here, so. At the crossroad, we have natural juice, different flavors like passion, tamarind, and some other ones.
Oh, yeah, tamarind. I try some tamarind juice, man.
Popsicle.
Long time I used to drink some tamarind.
Same place we buy this pistachio milkshake.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, them have all these natural stuff over there.
Yeah, I love natural juice.
It's really good, the juice.
Yeah, man, the tamarind juice. A long time I drink some tamarind juice. You can try it out.
Yeah, that's where I go and get the natural juices. That's where they make.
Oh, yeah, they make natural juice.
And coconut, You know which one I like too? It's the cane and ginger.
Cane and ginger.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, that tastes so good. Oh my god, that
That's
tastes so
natural juice.
good.
Just blended juice from the cane.
Yes,
No additional
yes,
water. Nothing.
yes.
Yo, Bridget, you done already? You're lying. Bumbo clock.
Yeah, she said me
I
like.
can't believe.
So we said, I make the menu come over here, so, and we can look through it in case you want.
Yeah, yeah.
popsicle and thing.
I love it.
We can see what and thing.
Why Bridget done already to
Yeah, me like it. My one is smaller. Let's see if I get my one was smart. People, my one is smaller than film here. So that's why I'm trying to make me look bad. But trust me, I want to look a piece every gonna give me this.
Too sweet.
No, sir. So nice, man. Can't see ya. I never go through them food. No, but that's true. We need to. Sunday, a regular thing.
Yeah, Sunday there's no it's a regular thing, a regular
Yeah, the groups
vibes.
are-
Regular vibes.
Now we need to tell the group to come here.
Yeah.
They need to come out. You know what I mean? Don't just sit in the group.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
on, net group. Yeah.
Let's post on the group.
Yeah. No, I don't like that. Cause
Other people in the group, I was expecting more people.
Right.
Yeah.
No, they come and support the team.
Yeah guys, come and support the thing cause the thing there.
Right,
Some
and the
sorry,
food is good.
some potato pudding.
Come and
They can
support the
see.
team. Come out on the house. By 10:30, we have to tell the man to have the food by 10:30.
Yeah.
Message.
Yeah, family.
Because you want to know which part of the restaurant they're in.
Yeah, family.
Face in our direction.
But trust me, family, this potato pudding nicer than rice and a pound of rice.
Yeah, keep up with
Yeah, family.
So
Yeah,
me
man.
have to
Let's dig in.
play and-
Yeah, family. So this is the buffet style in the evening. We have the breakfast in the morning, Jamaican breakfast, and this is Jamaican buffet style here at JamRock. And this is the man, this is the head chef right now, the sous chef.
And the owner of Reggae Flavors Kitchen.
Yeah,
Right here from Tanzania to Kenya.
Yeah.
Going South Africa next.
Yeah.
Other places. So here what? Every Sunday you come out, lifestyle buffet. We have breakfast in the morning, every week a different menu. Try to catch your breakfast early because pre-order only.
Yeah.
And every Sunday evening to the night we have buffet. So different order, different cuisine. But Jamaican cuisine but different flavor and taste.
Alright, tell me what we have now.
Right now, the banana bread, no, the bread pudding. The
Bread pudding.
No, sorry. I'm lying.
Potato
I'm lying.
pudding.
You see, every week it changes, we have different pudding, but this week it's potato pudding. So
Alright,
as you can see, look at it.
yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah, man, it's nice, man.
Yeah.
Real Jamaican flavor for true.
Jamaican thing, potato pudding.
Alright.
And every Friday we're going to have dancehall Fridays, fish fry.
Fish fry, yeah.
So if you want a red snapper, you want a tilapia, whatever fish you want, a parrot, we're going to try to have it for you.
Yeah.
Every Friday. Dance on Friday at JamRock, aka Fish Fry. Reggae Flavors I do it.
Yeah, man. So we say we have the buffet. Come tell them what you have for the buffet now.
The buffet now, you know, it's
Sure,
yes. So,
The buffet are done already, people. May I tell you
buffet
now.
are run out already.
So we have jerk
So the
chicken.
jerk chicken. And we have more around the back.
Yeah.
More around the back, so we top it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Plantain,
Plantain.
curry goat,
I would like
Yeah.
to take on.
Yeah.
rice and peas, Alfredo cream pasta.
Yeah. So we have Bridget right there, so dance a Jamaican dance.
Yeah.
Jamaican queen.
Let's want a man.
One the daggery. Come here! Come on! Hey, yeah, family. So the Jamaican vibes there.
Come right here. Smart vibes. In Kenya, with the authentic Jamaican vibes.
Yeah.
The authentic Jamaican food. The authentic Jamaican cuisine. The authentic Jamaican people. And we have the Americans here also.
Yeah.
America. Big up Kenya.
Get up, America!
Big up America. You know, we love America so much. We love
Yeah, I don't know, yeah.
We got to big up Kia and the American posse.
Yeah.
The Canadian posse. Yeah, not just Jamaica, but the Caribbean people.
Yeah.
What about the Trinidadian people?
Yeah.
The people, the St. Lucia people,
All the
and
people.
the Barbados people.
Yeah.
And mad vibes.
Yeah, man, come out, you know what I mean? And as I said, family, we are a traverse culture. and we can help you relocate back to Africa. So tell them about your thing, Traverse.
Y'all be joining us this year for the Journey Back to Eden. Stop playing. We're going to relocate you, help you open up a business, help you get everything you need through this Journey Back to Eden. Join us, JamRock, Traverse Culture. That's what it is.
Yeah, family. So
Let's
one
go.
love, God bless. We are Out family.
Period.
Like, share, and comment on the video.
Yes.
And let we know your thoughts because we are Out. God bless. One love.